Alright, we got an original vintage Schindler elevator, my very first.
In number 308 to 308 Chesapeake Road 1963.
Oh, I didn't press the button hard enough. This is an original Schindler. My very first original Schindler. Ooh, pop out! My very first pop out. It doesn't pop out till...
Yes, later we'll have pop function. Close the back.
Yeah, sure. Do you mind if I take a couple rides on this? I've never seen this before. Awesome! I've been waiting to ride my first pop-out button for life. I've been dying to ride my first pop-out. What year was this installed?
1963.
1963. Look at these fixtures. It's just like an Otis pop-out. Oh, someone's coming in. Is it okay if I can take another ride?
Yeah.
I'll be back. Or we'll get a cab, you know, this is just a basic tiny elevator. I can't believe I ride my very first Schindler pop-out elevator. Alright, switch, wait for the button to pop out. Alright, let's go on to the bottom end there. This thing's a beauty. Let's stop it at... I want to show you something. Watch. They both pop out. Nuisance. Alright, let's get off here because someone needs to use it. This was awesome. My very first pop-out I've ever written. That's it.